Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Chevrolet Trailblazer. And this is a 4.2 liter and I'm going to change engine oil and oil filter. And first step will be open up the hood. And this one requires 5W30 engine oil. I'm going to list all the part number what I use under my description, so in case if you need one, check it out. And let's get started. Safety is the number one priority. When you are under the car, it's a good idea to wear the safety glasses. Right under here, this is the place you really don't need to remove all those bolts here. There is a small cutout which you can use a flathead screwdriver and you open the tab. So once we remove the cover, the drain plug is right here and this is 13 millimeter. So first we're going to crack it open. This is 13 millimeter. So once it's loose, get a bucket underneath and we're going to collect the oil. So open it carefully. I'm going to remove the bolt. Let it drain. The other thing I'm going to do, I'll go under the hood. I'll open the engine cap. As you see, the oil is draining at the bottom. We're going to remove the cap. As you see that the oil stopped draining and it's just a dripping. And make sure that when you put the drain plug, you have the washer in there. Don't lose that washer. Make sure that you clean it. So we're going to tighten the drain plug. Oil filter is located right here at the top. It's a little tricky. You put your hand from this side like this and we're going to open the oil filter. We're going to let the oil drain. You can put a dirty rag up here so it will collect all the oil dripping. That's the way you're going to put the new filter in. The Trailblazer requires a 7 quart. This one has a 5 quart. To make life easier, you need a funnel. Now we are ready for the oil. So I'm done with the one jug, which is a 5 quart, and now I'm going to put 2 more quarts. So I'm going to put 2 more quarts. And that's how it's easy and simple to change engine oil and oil filter on your Trailblazer. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.